This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use liquid culture. First, ensure your workspace and all tools are meticulously sterilized. This is a critical step to prevent unwanted contaminants from ruining your efforts. You can use a pressure cooker or an autoclave to sterilize your liquid culture medium effectively. Prepare your nutrient solution carefully, using precise measurements to create the ideal environment for your desired organism to thrive. This foundational preparation sets you up for success. Now, it's time to introduce your chosen organism. Carefully transfer a small sample of your fungal or bacterial culture into the sterile liquid medium. This crucial step should always be performed within a clean, still air box or a laminar flow hood to maintain an aseptic environment. Make sure your sample is fully submerged and evenly dispersed throughout the nutrient solution, allowing for consistent growth and development. Once inoculated, your liquid culture needs the right conditions to flourish. Incubate it at a consistent temperature, ideally between 70 and 75 degrees Fahrenheit. Gently agitate the culture daily. This helps distribute nutrients evenly and provides essential oxygen for growth. Keep a close eye on your culture for signs of healthy development, such as the formation of mycelium or a noticeable increase in turbidity. When your liquid culture is mature, proper storage is key for its longevity. Store it in a refrigerator at approximately 38 to 40 degrees Fahrenheit. This significantly extends its viability. When you're ready to use it, employ a sterile syringe to carefully draw out the precise amount needed for your specific applications. Remember to always re-sterilize all tools and surfaces before each use to prevent any unwanted cross-contamination.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.